Atishi Marlena has been sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Delhi, making history as the youngest serving CM in the country. Her elevation to the topmost came after outgoing Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal proposed her name during a session of the Delhi Legislative Council. Representing the AAP as the MLA from Kalkaji, Atishi becomes the third woman to assume the chief ministerial role in Delhi's history. As the sole female minister in the Delhi cabinet, she has been entrusted with key portfolios such as finance, education and power. Additionally, she plays a pivotal role in AAP's leadership as a member of its political affairs committee. Atishi's appointment comes at a critical time for the Aam Aadmi Party, which has been navigating significant challenges, including the arrest of senior leaders in connection with the Delhi excise policy graft case. Throughout these turbulent times, Atishi has been at the forefront, skillfully defending the party's position. News Desk Report, Northeast Karbi Live.